Hello friends, in today's video tutorial I'm going to walk you through on how to change Facebook profile link or URL. To start, you open the Facebook app on your device, tap on the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you proceed to select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the settings. Then you tap on See More in Account Center. From there, navigate to the profile section and select your Facebook profile. Now you tap on your username to make these changes to your profile link name. Mine is set already. Once you've made the decision, you tap on Done. Then you return to the profile. You return to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the top of your screen. Then you tap on the three dots located beside See Dashboard. Now you can view your personalized Facebook URL, or you tap on Copy Profile Link. Then you can copy it on any social media platform you want to paste it. As you can see now, it is now a personalized URL. So you are being able to change your Facebook URL or link. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Bye.